What is going on, YouTube? I am Germ here. Today, as you guys can see up on the screen, we are going to be talking about Bionano Genomics. This is ticker symbol BNGO, and this has been, for the past couple of months, maybe even going on like a year now, maybe half a year, has been one of my favorite stocks in the stock market, and I'm not alone there. This BNGO has gotten very, very popular, and it has a ton of people excited about the future of genomics and finding out whether or not this company can be a leader in that field and have some crazy gains going into the future. Right now, Bngo sits at about a $1.87 billion market cap. Yes, it was down 1.47% on Friday. Kind of had a rough week, being down 16%, starting out the week at around $8, closing at around $6.72. But if you zoom out, still up 6% on the month. This stock overall is doing really well. And in this video today, we're going to be talking about why I believe July could be a very big month for Bngo. I think there are some catalysts coming up in the next few weeks that could have investors in this company feeling very good, or at least being very excited. Definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy this video. I'd appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. With that being said, here we go. So I made a BNGO video, I don't know, about a week ago or something, and the video did very well. There are a ton of fans of BNGO. This is just a company and a stock that gets people very excited and has obviously made people a ton of money. When you look at the 1 year, there are people obviously who bought right around this area and got the stock for $1, $2, $3, and wrote it up to 15. Maybe you sold, hopefully you did. If not, there's been tons of opportunities to buy low and sell high on this company. It's been so volatile, and volatility is the best way to make money. It's a great way to lose money as well, but man, there's always a ton of money to be made with volatility. I personally started out my position in this company. I think my first buy was around $1.20. So I've made out pretty well with BNGO, but it's definitely a company that's just in the short term. Obviously, that's just over, the past couple, like 6, 7, 8 months. But this is also a company I'm very excited for the future. Genomics is obviously something that is very unsolved. It's a it's just a sector that has a ton of growth potential. It doesn't mean things are going to work out, but there is that opportunity there. And the big thing here that I want to talk about is Bngo. The news coming out, this was Thursday, that Bngo is going to present at the 2021 Landenberg-Thalmann Healthcare Conference. Bionano Genomics announced today that company management will present virtually at the 2021 Healthcare Conference being held July 13th and 14th of 2021. Eric Holmlin, PhD, Bionano's CEO, will present a company overview on July 13th, 2021. The presentation will be available to view on the events page in the investor section of BNGO's website, and at the healthcare conference, WSW.com. The webcast of the event will be archived on the website for 30 days following. So this is a massive opportunity for Bngo to give an overview of their company, to present what they've got going on, to really pitch their business, their model, and their future growth and projections in front of hopefully a pretty big audience. And this is something that I think leading up to this conference, I think you could definitely see the stock making a little move. But then if any big news comes out, if anything big drops, if they are able to get some buzz and some hype going leading up to it and after the conference, this could be a big catalyst of seeing a short-term and even potentially long-term gains, depending on what they say, depending on how they present. If the presentation goes well, if they knock it out of the park, if they make some big announcement that maybe people aren't expecting or maybe people weren't aware of, this could be a big play for Bngo. Now, it could be a case of maybe you need to, buy the rumor, sell the news. Maybe the best time to get out of the stock is going to be right before this conference, or maybe it's going to continue to shoot up after. I don't know. But either way, over the next week or two, again, I'm recording this video on July 3rd, so the 13th and 14th is 10, 11 days away. There is still going to be plenty of market time to have a reaction to this all of next week, and then even into the week after that, just to see how the stock plays out. Again, it's been beaten down a little bit this week, obviously, with being down 16% in just a single week. So maybe it's going to continue to fall. Maybe this is a bad time with some downward momentum, or maybe we're hitting a bottom and we're going to start to see it rebound again when there is actually news, when there is actually momentum, when there is actually a reason. We could definitely see Bngo start making some moves, but I'm definitely going to be keeping my eye on this stock going into next week. Obviously, Monday the stock markets close in observance of the 4th of July, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm keeping a close eye because I want to see what this stock is going to do headed into that week that this conference is going to be going on. But man, I think this has the potential to be very big. Obviously, a smaller company like Bngo with a smaller market cap, getting more eyeballs on them, getting at a big presentation, getting a chance to pitch their idea to very, very big people in this field and in this space, but also to investors everywhere. You know, this is going to be streamed, it's going to be archived, it's going to be out there. I think has a chance to be a very, very big and exciting potential opportunity, not only for the company, but for the stock as well. But that is pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I'd appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about BNGO in the short term and in the long term? Are you buying, selling, staying away, or keeping it on your watch list? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.